So this is the Brae River. There you do the river rafting, and I think it's like $30 per person. Then there's a kitty here. The first Jamaican kitty. Oh, there's actually another one.
Or if you guys would like it with rice and peas, it's served at the end of the ride. At the end of the ride with rice and peas, if you wanted the rice and peas.
Yeah.
Oh, over there, at the end.
It at the other side, just the same.
Okay.
With rice and peas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Or you can ask them for the festival.
Okay. Cool. Thank. I just go down and take. So this is from where they do the river rafting. It's the Brae River. What's your name?
O'Neill.
O'Neill, yeah. Abe, and Sally.
Alright, nice to meet you.
Nice
First
to.
time for you, right?
Yeah, first time.
Well, we go 3 miles down.
3 months.
No crocodiles, no snakes, nothing dangerous. Okay? Don't be afraid to ask questions. The water is cool and nice. We also do the limestone foot massage for a little fee, so if you're interested, you can get exfoliated or rejuvenated, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Kilometer.
Yeah.
Long hair like 3 kilometers. Long hair like
So why is the water this color?
Because we filter with the same limestone that we use for the exfoliation.
Oh, I see.
Crystal clear. From thirsty I can drink. This water is coming from the mountain.
Right.
Yeah, it's a spring-fed river. It goes all the way to the ocean. There's a lot of bioluminescence, a lot of minerals in this.
Oh, this is the bioluminescence place too, right? That's at night, right?
Yes, it's at night.
Right. $50.
Good.
try me. ขับดีเด้อขับดีเด้อลงไปนะคะลงไป
Why? Oh, are you up there? Yeah, they're cutting bamboos to build a raft, you know?
Yeah. Oh yeah. So is this only for tourists or was this the way people?
Yeah, with the vest and the cushion, it's only for tourists.
Right, right.
Yeah, but sometimes the guys who do fishing probably might take one of the raft, use it to catch some fish.
Okay.
Have the fish.
Yeah.
เบิ่งน้ำใสค่ะถ้าจะเสียงทอดยืนต้องใส่ออกสีฟ้า
So we already found our winner. Her name is Denise from Colleyville. You're gonna be sent a special prize or courtesy of Sunshine Snacks, alright?